In this world, everyone is working hard to beat the race of being more resourceful and wealthy. Knowing financial tips and maintaining balance among loans, investment, expenditure, health have become an urgent need of the time. Hello everyone, Banking Daily is here to provide you all the 12 most important financial tips for increasing wealth improvement opportunity. Without wasting any time, let's move on to the first financial tip. First financial tip and the most important one is to invest in yourself. Friends, investing in yourself is surely the most profitable investment you ever make. It yields not only future returns but often a current payoff as well. Second financial tip is to try having a simple wedding. Friends, wedlock is more a custom ceremony banded with emotional aspects of two families. Therefore, one should not brag of his money by lavish and pompous arrangements, which actually can be used as an investment for business startup. Third financial tip is to avoid investing in insurance for returns. See friends, insurance and investment are entirely two different paths. Insurance ensures your presence to your family after your death or health accidency. On the other hand, investment is for future returns so that your present value of the money will be coherent to the future value of the money. Fourth financial tip is to have an early start in systematic investment plan to taste the compounding effect of interest at your later age. Fifth financial tip is not to be scared by mutual funds. Mutual funds investments are subject to market risk. Has always been a very fancy sentence among all of us since our childhood, due to which majority population feels FD and RD a better and safer investment option. But my dear friends, if you analyze the mutual funds history of last 60 years, you will come to know that mutual funds yielded much higher returns and will continue to provide high returns if invested for the long run. Sixth financial tip is to avoid the belief of being rich with property and car. Friends, interestingly, a more wealthy and successful business person invests marginally in his liabilities. That means rich personality is reflected from one's knowledge and not by one's expenses made. Seventh financial tip is to avoid buying property on loans if you are not having proper repayment plan. Friends, any delay in repayment will not only downgrade your credit score but also cause financial burden and mental pressure. Eighth financial tip is not to keep huge money in savings bank account. Friends, considering money depreciation with time, you should invest your money rather than keeping all your earnings in savings account. By investing, you will not only fill the gap of depreciation but also generates income in the form of interest. Ninth financial tip is that if you invest in stocks, pay due attention. Friends, stocks and share market have more a sentimental aspect, which makes them more riskier than any other investment option. Therefore, you need to update yourself regularly to invest in stocks and share market. 10th financial tip is to have at least 20% liquid wealth. Friends, liquidity in your assets is very important to meet unseen exigencies. So, one should not invest his whole earnings in fixed assets or lock in investments. 11th financial tip is to use credit cards for needs and not for wants. Friends, wants are the desires that are never ending. So, invest your wealth in fulfilling your needs and not wants. 12th financial tip is to live a healthy life. The person who has health has hope, and who has hope has everything. So friends, it's a high time one should not only act wisely but also take smarter financial decisions like investing in SIP and mutual funds considering inflation, investing in needs, avoiding lavish spendings, maintaining adequate liquidity, and investing majorly in oneself to reach the heights of success. That's all for the day. We'll be back with new facts and tips. Till then, keep smiling and subscribing the channel for latest updates. Also follow us on Instagram.